Hi everyone! Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and I hope that you're doing well. It is so beautiful at the sanctuary right now. It's February, but you wouldn't know it. The sun is shining, it's 60 degrees, the sky is blue. Everybody is out enjoying the sun and getting their vitamin D. So I thought it would be a nice time to make a little video and kind of show you what happens behind the scenes on a beautiful day at the sanctuary. So please stick around and we'll show you what everyone's up to and give you a little update on some of the projects we've been up to the last couple of months. Projects that Peter has been working on. It doesn't seem like much, but it's going to be so amazing. It is a new feed area. So this is where it's in the barn, so it's kind of like a control tower. And let's just go in. So it's basically a rat and mice proof box. And it's got wire mesh on the windows here. Concrete, big open, so we can fit our feed in here, our medicine, our medical supplies, all of that. It's going to be so amazing. It's something that we've wanted done for a long time, and Peter is just so talented at building these things. So yeah, and you can kind of look out over the barn and see everyone while you're feeding, so we're really excited about this. Here's another project that we worked on this month. It is a new, completely predator-proof deluxe coop for some of our disabled birds that need a little extra protection. We have an area for the rest of our birds, but this is specially for some of our special guys. We only have 2 in here so far, but right now we've got, this is Rue. Hi, Rue. Hi, handsome boy. And he's blind and a little older, and he just needs a special space. Yeah, he just needs a special space where he doesn't get picked on by anybody, and he's just a sensitive soul, so he needs a special place. And then back here, we've got Gilbert Goose. And he's just very, very old and has some mobility issues. And he just also benefits from having a nice quiet space where he doesn't have to get hassled by anybody. So yeah, it's beautiful. Very exciting. Completely predator proof, so nobody can get in here and get them. Lots of space. Nice shelter at the back for when it's raining. They seem pretty happy about it. Well, as you can see, our beautiful sunny day has come to an end. It is now cloudy, it's raining, and I think there's rain for the foreseeable future. So I'm so glad that we were able to get out in the sunshine and enjoy that with some of our animal friends, and I hope that you enjoyed watching along and seeing some of the projects we've been working on. If you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see in the future from us, please leave them in the comment section below. We'd love some more ideas, and we will see you soon. Thank you so much for following along.